Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to DIY Dancers. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make space buns. So it's basically, you can either have two buns and some hair down, or you can just have two buns and it just looks so cute and you should guys really try, and that's why I'm making this video. So let's get on with the video.
Accessories that you're going to be needing are some hair ties, or whatever you want to call them. And if you don't have bobby pins and you need to secure it more, then I would use stretchy headbands. These work just as perfect, and I use these a lot instead of bobby pins. I get from my bobby pins right now, so I'm going to be using these. So let's get on with the video.
So to make this hairstyle, you want to get your hair split into the middle. Want to part it into the middle. And just so you know, my hair is really messy right now. Reason is because I don't have a brush with me and I didn't brush it, so it's gonna look really messy. So what I like to do for my buns, I put it into a high ponytail and then I wrap it around like you can see me doing. It's kind of messy right now, but it's gonna look really cute in the end. But so that's what I do, and it looks really cute, and it's really simple. And then remember, if it needs support, put the bobby pins in or the stretchy headbands. So this is what the first bun looks like, and then you do the same thing. You just take your other part and you put it into a high ponytail and you wrap it around and make it into a bun. And be careful that you don't hit the other bun, because then that's what gets you out of place and they look all messy and stuff. But otherwise, it's really simple. But number 2 is pretty hard because you want to be careful of the other bun. So now I'm just tying it up with the hair tie, and these are what the two buns look together like. So now this is what my two buns look like. I'm not going to pull it out because I don't want my buns to fall down, because I don't have the bobby pins with me and I feel like I don't want to put in the stretchy headbands right now, but they do look pretty cute and I really like the Mickey Mouse ears, so I really like doing these for, Mickey Mouse and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time on DIY Dancers. Bye!